Hello, this video will cover how to set up and manage budgets on your store. As an overview, budgets are really a spending constraint placed on a user or a group of users. They cannot be combined with any other payment method, so a budget cannot be used until they've reached that limit, and then the remainder of the order put onto another payment method. It has to be the only payment method on a store. If the budget is not exceeded, they can continue to use that budget until they do exceed it. To set up a budget, you would go under Site Administration and click on Budgets. Here you'll get the listing if you have any of budgets, but I'm going to go ahead and add a budget. I can give it a name, and we'll call it 2025 budget. And then I have the ability to set it to all users, which basically would be a store level budget. And that means all users can order against that budget and deplete it. It is not a budget per user. So if a store has 10 users and there's a $10,000 budget, each of those users can spend against that budget, and the next user comes in is going to see what's remaining. If you do it by user, you can then associate that budget under the manage users area, or you can do it by group. And much like a store budget, you can set how much each of the groups can spend on the store. We're going to do this by user to keep it simple. Description is more of an internal description field, so it's not really used. So I can set a starting balance. I'm going to do 1,000 in this case, and a budget can have a start and an end date. So I'm going to do this month. And so that means that budget is only available during the month of January. And then I hit save. Here we see my budget. And you can have multiple budgets. So if I wanted to add another budget, and let's say I added the 2025 sales budget, I could set that up. Again, do it by user. Maybe this is a $2,500 budget. And I'm going to set the same time frame. Then I would go into Manage Users and find my user account that I want to associate the budget to. Here I click Edit. And then I go to the bottom of the screen and I can associate both budgets to my account. When I go to place my order, I can select which budget I'm going to place the order against. And then I hit Save and go to Listing. If I log in as this user, I will now see that I have two budgets available to me that I can order against in the store. Again, budgets can only be used as the only payment method on an order, can never be combined with another payment method.